Hello, friends. This is Rebecca Suerdieck with your next installment of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour. Now journey back in time with me to this week in 1901. The Association for the Preservation of Virginia Antiquities unveiled a window in the old Powder magazine. The window was presented by Mrs. Warner Moore in memory of Nathaniel Bacon, one of her ancestors. This week in 1906, Williamsburg resident Mary Foster publishes one of the first histories of Virginia. The work was praised in its day for its charming stories, anecdotes, and illustrations of Williamsburg, Yorktown, and Jamestown. The young author and historian finished this work just in time for the 1907 celebrations. This Glance at the Past has been brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, where hometown history comes alive, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck. Thanks for listening.